Hey, what's up guys, it's Majorette and today I'm going to be unboxing Toyota HiLux, which also comes with a boat and a trailer. So as you can see, I've now unboxed the car. It looks pretty good. There's a HiLux. Looks really nice actually, I like it. And then you have a trailer. This boat actually does have wheels underneath it so you can drive it on its own. There's the truck. There's the Majorette truck. As you can see, and this is the boat. And this is how the boat looks disconnected actually. So as you can see, it looks pretty good on its own too. It does have wheels underneath it so it can drive on its own as well. That's the trailer, and then this is the back of the truck. Very well detailed, and even has a little tow bar. This is the front of the truck. Really good looking. And yeah, that's my shit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.